My name is Dr. Taniya Paul. So I have come to Beli Academy for the initial as a resource person in to teach the students for Python for beginners. So I'm very excited that the students are going to learn Python. The students consist of class 3 and 4 students. The students that I have taught till far, they belong from various disciplines, like they belong from various schools. Not only just Beli Academy has initiated this program regarding their school students, but they have also given the opportunity to the other students to learn them from it. So it is basically a skill development course where students are going to learn much more, have deeper concepts about Python, and hopefully they are going to initiate the Python in future. And apart from this, I'm going to continue this course for the upcoming weeks as well. And I thank Beli Academy along with Assam Don Bosco University to make me as a resource person. I am grateful for this thing. Thank you everyone.